Boca De Oro is a festival of visual, performing, and literary arts and culture in downtown Santa Ana. This year is our 4th annual festival on March 7th.
Every single year we've had a different artist that's actually helped us to create the theme of the festival through the artwork. And this year, our specific theme is the spirit of transformation. In Greece, in 500 BC, they used to have a festival every year called the Dionysus. The whole society was actually mandated to come to this festival, and at the end of the festival, it actually was like a catharsis for everybody in which they were able to see and reflect on what happened the year before, and then they were able to go on living and making new rules and goals for themselves for the next year. One of the things that's really interesting is this year, in reaching towards that, we call back to the Greek muses, and there are 9 women muses, and those women muses actually hold the keys to unlocking every single one of the arts, which are all represented in this festival.
What's really exciting about that is that everybody that participates in the festival is going to have the chance to explore and learn about the muses, because they can go on a scavenger hunt, and we're going to have each of the 9 muses stationed throughout the downtown. We even have an app for this so that they can explore and go and find it and participate.
We're really excited to see you here this year, and we want to show you that creativity is not optional.
That's
and
right.
That art transforms, and that we are going to be here in the spirit of transformation at Boca De Oro 2020.